What's going on, guys? It's your boy Insecure Future 27 here, and today we're going to be showing you how to insecure your... Today I'm going to show you guys this 100k a month product, which I will verify for you. And I actually revealed this product 1 year ago in one of my courses, and I just predicted that it's going to do really well, and that's what it did. If you guys can see here, it's got 40,000 orders in the last 6 months. Absolutely nuts. So we're going to talk about this product in a second, why it sold so well, why it sold for me, what I did, my exact ad copy, my exact description, and everything. I mean, you already saw that earlier, but I'm just going to go in more in depth to that and why I should sell this right now to make a lot of money. And actually, personally, even I'm about to sell this product right now, but I just feel I want to give back to you guys. I already have like a bunch of winners at my disposal, so it doesn't really matter if I just give away one winner to you guys, so you guys can go out there and make some money with it. So even though it might seem dumb that I'm revealing my own winning products, but I really don't mind as long as you guys are profiting from it, alright? So let's just get right to it, alright? So why is the product so good? First of all, this product is absolutely crazy because of the margin it provides. You can get these headphones for $1 to about $1.89. If you go in real life, you go to a general store, normally these kind of headphones cost about $7 to $10 retail. And if you add in a couple of good description and stuff like that, you can easily sell these earphones for at least $15, which is like 15 times the price of this current product, right? And that is what makes this product super unique, super amazing, and makes it sell so much. Like the reason it sold so high and it just made like a shit ton of money, and it's still making money, by the way, is because of that fact. So even if you sold $15 each for these units, that is 40,000 if my calculations have not screwed up yet. I'm totally not using a calculator right now. If it's 40,000 orders and you multiply that by $15 each, that is $600,000 in the last 6 months just from retail stores. And I can bet you there have been many people who've sold this product for over $16 to $15, $20, okay? So really high potential. This also gives you more margins to work on, so you can spend more money in advertising. And that's just the second reason why this product is so good. There are many more variants to it, so you can sell as many variants as you want. Once again, you can see there's massive amounts of reviews, massive amounts of feedback, and massive amounts of orders, obviously. So this is absolutely crazy product you can go ahead sell right now. So why does this product make 100k a month, and what can you do right now to go ahead and generate a good amount of revenue from this? Because Black Friday is just around the corner, and you definitely want to put one of these products in your store, because I personally am as well. Alright, we're back after a commercial break of... Never mind. Alright, so how do you go out there and sell this product? What should you do? So I already showed you guys the description. Let me just go back to the description once again, show you guys what exactly I mean by it. So here we go. Let me just load up the picture. Where is it? Alright, there it is for me. Okay, you guys can see this picture right now on the screen. So as you guys can see, this is the description of my store. And this was a store at that time. I was selling these for $4.95. I eventually raised the price for about $15.95. That's where I made the most money. Even then, the reason I made so much money from this product was because I sold this product as a clearance sale for $4.95. Got a huge email list made from that, and then I kept retargeting those people at a higher price, and then I kept making lookalike audiences. However, I was not doing much Facebook at that time. I was mainly doing Instagram influencers, but it definitely did help of acquiring those leads and then emailing them constantly along with the retargeting and all that good stuff. So the description was pretty neat. It was just all about how the product is about to be sold out. There was a lot of urgency in the product. There was a lot of scarcity, and people they just had to buy the product. I also have one of those Heartify countdown timers where it says that if you don't get it right now, it's like a now or never offer. Now or never offers always work really well if you're able to take the right angle, because it's kind of hard for people to trust you if you're not really taking a good approach to it. So your approach has to be good. So as you guys can see, we had the AliExpress description. I only took the frequency and model number. I was still pretty new at this at that time, so I wouldn't really do it now. I would just leave it as it is in the first 4 lines, which is the new year and the description. So as you guys can see, I named it Ultra Bass Headsets or Gaming Headset. This is a really important reason, because when you price your products properly and you want to name them differently, people actually believe the higher price tag because they think it boosts, bass. And I think that's the reason this product was able to sell so well, because of the unique product price, the nice images, scarcity, of course, and the description was very to the point. New Year's, how many times have we seen this? So we need to get all of our stock. It was around New Year as well, so the sales were an all-time high near December end. So yeah, that is basically how I did this product at that time. However, now though, my approach would be a lot different. So what I would do at this point is I would take this product and I would price it at least $14, okay? Or I'll price it at like $19, and I'll test both those prices on Facebook ads and Instagram ads. And the reason for this is because this product is a super high margin. Look, guys, when you're selling a product on AliExpress, people don't know how much you bought it for. They only see how much you are selling it for. So nobody really thinks how much people bought your product for. I mean, how much you bought your product for. People only care about how much they value it in their mind, which is based on, it's very important, which is based on the perceived value you create, okay? People will only pay for something if they think that it's got enough perceived value that it matches the price or overcomes the price. If people just don't find value in your product, most of the time, the reason people don't buy your product is not because the product is bad or it sucks, but you just did not provide enough perceived value, not a good enough description, okay? Like, all these things matter, guys. Like, if you want to make people buy products for a higher price, you will need these good things like good product images, okay? You will also need good product descriptions, scarcity, good offers. Like, that offer right there, maybe 15 grand for a reason, because it was an absolutely insane scarcity offer. So for any product, if you want to sell it at a higher price than you market at because people don't know how much it sells for, you will have to create perceived value in their mind, and perceived value is only created when you provide them quality. So all these things will create perceived value, which will allow you to charge a much higher prices on your store in any product, really. Like, it doesn't matter what product you're selling. Perceived value is always going to be the main key indicator of how well your products perform and how much people are willing to pay for your product. If they're not selling, it's probably not because of how bad the products are. Sometimes it might be, but mostly it's just depending on the value you're providing. Good descriptions, images. If your images look like shit, it's just not going to work out. So all those things tie in together to make sure you can sell your product at a higher price. So use these tips, apply these tips. I would say go ahead and sell this product for, I would say, anywhere from $10 to $25, even $25, $30 if you want, by naming it some kind of gives you a superpower and you can fly and steal jet planes or something, earphones, and go for that. Maybe you'll make a sale. Don't get me wrong, people actually buy stuff for expensive prices if you can brand it properly. You can come up with some kind of the best wireless headphones in the world, and people are just gonna go crazy, like, wow, are the best. And you can just put like really good images of models in there with the headphones, or there's a lot of stuff you can brand your products with and then make people buy them at a higher price. So the more value you provide, just remember this formula: the more value you provide, the more you're gonna get, the more you'll be able to charge. In any business, the more value you provide, the more you can charge people. Simple as that. So provide more value in e-commerce. You will need, once again, product descriptions, websites, ads, all that stuff is really important. And just do that and you're done. If you still don't understand how to get all these things right, I do have a complete course in the description. You want to check that out. But I'm really not going to sit down here and tell you guys every single benefit of it. You can just check it out yourself if you feel like it. Otherwise, completely fine. Anyway, that being said, the last thing I want to talk about right now is how do you actually go out there and scale these kind of products. So the reason I always talk about these products in a really positive way is because these kind of products have a really good margin. So if you sell this product for $20, you can easily make like $16 to $18 profit just from selling this product in one sale. This means you are allowed to spend $17 on your product without getting a sale. So if you spend $17 and you get no sale, well, guess what? You're still doing fine, because now you have all that traffic which you can retarget. So don't worry if you don't make money up front if you're doing really bad. For the people who are performing really bad right now, don't worry. You can take that data to at least break even, okay? If you don't break even, sell your store. There's so much stuff you can do within Shopify to not get screwed up or to not lose money, okay? Like, there's so many reasons to not quit Shopify. That's the reason you want to always keep going towards it, okay? So once you have a low price product, I mean, you can literally charge as high as you want. Like, you can charge $40 for these headphones easily. And people would actually buy it at that because they don't know how much you're buying it at. So yeah, with proper marketing, good perceived value, good website, just remember these points and sell this product on your website. You know what description to use. You can just, replicate my description, change it up a bit, and you'll be able to make good sales. I'm not sure if it still works because I'm going to be going for a full new description for this product. I might even share with you guys on how well I perform with this. But that's basically from me for this video, guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, dude, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. We're going pretty fast, and I'm just absolutely grateful about every single thing you guys have, supported me in this channel. It's about to be almost 1 year since we started this channel, so that video is going to be out soon. It's crazy, we grew 3.3k, and I didn't even focus much on this channel. Like, I had so many months where I uploaded like 4 or 5 times, and just ignore the firecrackers in the background. People are just like fucking firecrackers here. Anyway, so that's the end for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you got any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, or just DM me on Instagram, Nick_ambitious. That was like rap god. Anyway, I'm going to see you guys later. Thanks again for watching. And yeah, peace out, guys. Never give up.
Building walls to burn them down, cannonballs to watch me drown. You've got me lost in here and now. You've got me gone and lost and found. We only hang in evenings and I don't know what I'm thinking, but I know that I won't think it if I keep up with this thinking. All these dreams and all these plans we shared.